after a full year of, or I shouldn't say a full year, but right around a full year of mature grass. Well, can't even call it mature. It was thin throughout. But after having this grass for well over a year, there's definitely a lot of things that I've learned and a lot of challenges that I was faced with compared to grass that I used to have. The grass I used to have was all warm season, so during the summer, as long as you watered it, looked good. Didn't need fertilizer or nothing. I mean, that probably would have helped, but after summer though, around August, September, when the temperature starts cooling down a bit, grass would definitely start to scale back and yellow up a little bit. That's when I really used the fertilizers to keep it going. And then around November, December, grass was getting pretty dormant, especially back here. With all the shade, warm season grass needs all that sunlight. I would start to lose all the grass. So I'd just be like, well, we're not doing anything till grass grows again. So this has been new for me, having grass all year long that grows. I watered about the same amount as I did with the warm season. It's cool season grass. Just give it some water, you're good. My temperatures aren't extreme here, so just give it a little bit of water. I know the saying is inch of water a week, but my grass in my mild temperatures, I was good with about a ½ inch a week. So I learned that. I also learned gotta fertilize a lot more with this grass. I want it to stay dark green as possible, and you gotta fertilize. I had 3 to 4 different types of grass before. Yeah, summer of 2019, I had 4 different types of grass. I didn't like that. You had 4 different types, 4 different colors. 4 different types, 4 different colors. We could never get them all the same. It was very bad. I know I had some bluegrass. I had some Bermuda. I had some kikuyu grass, and I had, I believe that there were still a few clumps of ryegrass, or excuse me, fescue floating around. Those 4 colors just didn't match. I had bluegrass mainly along this footpath right here, where it's thinned out right now, and I may do an overseed with bluegrass at some point. Although that window's probably closed. So I want to use up the last of my rye seeds that I've got. So we'll overseed nice and good come springtime. I did not, no, take that back. I think I did one overseeding last year. I'd have to go back and check. I may not have. I still have Bermuda issues in the grass. A couple clumps of kikuyu grass coming back. So I learned that I did not kill those off very good. I started probably too late in the season killing that off. So I learned not to kill kikuyu or Bermuda grass in August, kill it in July. I learned that. I also learned that with this grass, I don't have an off season. In 2020, October, I put down the seed, and from October, it was already cooling down. I had grass, a nice bed of grass by November. We had some Santa Ana winds, had some drying out, had to keep it watered really good, but it just continued to grow. It did really good. It was thin along here, definitely had better results on that end with the sun, but for the most part, I learned I don't have an off season with my grass and my climate, so everything that I did this last year was all new to me. So we learned some things. I can go back and watch some videos on what I did, how I did things, and improve on that. I've had back issues that have kind of kept me out of the game. Taking steps to change that. It's a slow process though. I've had this cat go through her really beautiful long hair stage to her I hate my hair, tear it all out, mangy cat looking stage, and now her hair is coming back and she's starting to look beautiful again. I wish she would pull it all out like that. She'd probably shave it, but she does not like to be touched. Listen when I pick her up. Oh, she's actually doing really good. Yeah, she don't like it. There those paws are. I'm not going anywhere near those things. She's a beast. A beast. You stay down there. So I spent a lot of money in the last year to get all this stuff, to be able to provide some content that everybody else is doing. But I think the biggest difference for me versus everybody else is I honestly really don't have an off season. I can continue to do this stuff all year long. Definitely slows down during the growing season. I did need to mow the grass a couple of times a week. I didn't do it as my lawnmower it's a pain in the butt to start now. So I do need to get a new lawnmower, but I don't want to buy a new lawnmower.